Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video we'll be covering how to make your own TMs for your Pokemon ROM hack, picking the moves, setting them up, and making sure they work in-game. If you're enjoying these tutorials, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more ROM hacking tips and Pokemon Centennial updates, and drop a comment if there's anything else you'd like to see. Let's just go ahead and jump in. The first place we're going to want to go to is the source/data/items.h file. In this file, this contains all of the items. If we scroll down enough, you can see there's like the strange ball, the Pokeball for all the Pokeballs. What we're going to want to do, in your case, if you don't have one, it'll be TM50 is the last TM. TM51 would be the first open slot for you. You'd want to use that. I already implemented Mud Slap as TM51 in my game. So I'm going to be doing everything for TM52. But the same thing will happen. You just want to use the first open TM slot that you have. So the first step for item_TM, you can kind of just copy the structure from above. So instead of saying item TM52, my TM52 is actually going to be Metal Claw. That's all done. The name, you're going to keep it as TM52. The price, you can change it. Since it's an earlier TM for me, I'm just going to keep the price as 1,000. You can kind of fix the price however you want. For the description, right now it's just going to give question marks. This one, you're going to want to create your own description. So I'm going to copy this compound string over. And then it's going to be in quotes. And I'm going to actually look and see what the Metal Claw kind of effects is in the game. I'm just going to look at this Scarlet and Violet. The target is raked with Steel Claws. May also boost the user's attack stat. So I'm going to put that in here. You do kind of got to shrink it up, the amount of text that's on the screen. You can see all these are pretty short just because in the item menu or in the bag menu with the items and all of that, there's not a lot of space for the description. So you might have to make this a couple times and play around with it. I kind of have what I want already here. So I'm going to copy paste and I'm just going to put everything in quotes. And that should be good to do there. And I'm going to get rid of this to do since we did that. The importance you can keep, it's a reusable TM. This will be a flag, yes or no, kind of if you want reusable TMs or not based on some of the other settings you put. The pocket is just going to be the TM/HM. It's a use party menu, use on the party, use on the battle. And then the secondary ID, this is where you need to put the actual move. So for me, this will be move Metal Claw. And I'm going to get rid of my to-do statement here as well. That's all I would need to do in this source data items.h file. The next thing you need to do is go into the include constants TMs_HMs.h. At the top, you'll see it's for each TM, and then F, and you have to do all of those. So you kind of will just follow the thing. You'll scroll all the way down. TM50 is overheat for me. 51 is Mud Slap. I'm just going to follow the same kind of structure. And that's all we should have to do. To actually give the item, you're just going to give item and use this method right here. So I'm going to go into my Rustboro gym. It's my second gym. And I know it's when we give an item. Right now they're giving item TM Rock Tomb. I'm going to switch this to give item TM Metal Claw. That's what I want to do for mine. I'm just going to leave this flag set. I could change the name. Probably should change the name of the flag. But now I'm giving the item right here. And you can see I already updated my text to TM52 contains Metal Claw. Once you have that, you can just give it a quick make. And then you can test out and make sure you can actually get it in your game. So I got to the point where I beat the gym leader. And I should be receiving the TM now. You can see we get the gym badge here. And I'll be able to use Flash outside of battle and then take the TM also, and we obtain TM52. So that works good. We can see it contains Metal Claw, just all the thing. I'll speed up. And then we can go into our bag, and we can go to the TMs/HMs, and we can see we have TM52 Metal Claw, and it looks like right in here, I'm going to have to mess and maybe shorten up the text. You can see it's still overflowing a little bit, so I might have to figure that out a little bit more. But more or less, this works. We can open it up. We can see we want to teach Metal Claw, and none of my Pokemon now can learn it. But this works here. As I was saying before, kind of with just looking at your text right here, I'm going to have to shore up how I want this to go and how I want it to work. But as you can see, it's a little long there. It's overlapping, so you might have to play with that a little bit. It's only 3 lines, so I might have to get rid of some words and just say raked with its claws may boost the attack. That's something once you have into the game, you're just going to have to mess around with and see what it is. It's kind of hard to tell what it's going to be. But there you go. It's pretty simple, easy, kind of, I guess, 2-step process. 3 if you're including giving out the item to making a new TM for your game. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Again, if you have any questions or have an idea of another video you'd like to see, leave a comment down below. Subscribe, like the video, and I'll be back with more tutorial videos and Pokemon Centennial updates. Have a nice day.